Good day and welcome to lesson 2 of Phonics Lesson on the Light Schools. This is Akorede Mujibat. Yeah, today we'll be looking at the letter A. Letter A. This is letter A. Letter A makes the sound minutes. So letter A makes the sound A. Letter A makes the sound A, and this is apple. Apple. I just said that letter A makes the sound A, and this is an apple. To confirm that, what sound do you hear at the beginning of apple? Yeah, apple begins with A, A. So letter A makes the sound A, 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 apple. Or you could say A is for apple, A, A, apple. A makes the sound A. Anywhere you see A, you call it what? Apple. Good. Now let us look at some words that begin with A. This is an apple. This is a red apple. A, A, apple. A, A, apple. This is apple. A, A, apple. This is an axe. A, A, axe. A, A, axe. An axe. And and a a ant. This is an ant. Wow. Alligator. A a alligator. Alligator. A a apple. A a axe. A a ant. A a alligator. Now let us look at some names that begin with A. 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 Amina. Amina begins with A. Amina. A. A. Anke. A. A. Anke. Anke begins with A. 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 Amadu. Amadu. Ita Amadu. Do you know Ita Amadu? A. A. Amadu. A. A. Asa. We have Asa local government in Kwara State. Ah, ah, Asa. Ah, ah, Anambra. Anambra State. Anambra. Ah, ah, Andrew. This is also a name of person. So think of names that begin with ah sound. Look around you and try to sound out objects that begins with A.